Okay, this is a question for progressions for Form 4, Chapter 5. Okay, we are going to solve this question 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5 squared plus 3 over 5 cubed plus 4 over 5 to the power 4 and so on. Okay, until infinity, we get the answer is 5 over 16. So first you are going to let this one. Okay, we are going to say we okay. For assuming we are going to get let's what this one become this one become let's this one become we can say as this one as x sum. Okay, this one you can count this one. Okay, we don't know how many here. Okay, so after that we are going to multiply by 5. Okay, we are going to multiply this one equation, you times 5, everything times 5. Okay, that's mean 5x. Okay, we get the 5x. Okay, 5x equal to what? Equal to everything times 5 here. So you are going to times 5, we get the answer as we are going to become 18. So we are going to times 5 what happened. So that's meaning we get the answer as what meaning you are going to times 5 here. That's when everything times 5. Okay, times 5 here. So times okay times 5, everything's times 5 because you the first equation you already on times 5. So we are on times 5 what happened, huh? This one times 5. Then we get the answer is times 5. This also times 5 also. Oh, sorry. Also times 5. This also times 5. So this also times 5. Okay. Okay. So we are going to solve the problems now. What happened the next is we are going to solve by we go this one is our first equation, huh? We go for this one is our first equations. Okay, this one we consider as second equation. Okay, second equation. We go for this one is second equation. We make it certain, huh? Okay, so second equation. So we are going next step. We are going to solve it by what happened. So what is we going to do that? So we are going to more the second equation minus the second equation, huh? Okay, the second equation minus the first equation. So what happened? 5x minus 4x, 1x become 4x. Okay, I'll make it to be 4x. Okay, okay. So by meaning we are going to have this one we need to simplify first. Sorry, this one you need to simplify 5x. Okay. There is only 5x. 5x is equal to 1 over times 5 is 1. Second one is 2 over 5. This one times 5 become 1 over 5. Okay. The third one here. Okay. This one we get the 3 over 5. This one 3 over 2 5 square. Okay. That means 3. That means we are going to get the answer here. This one is 2. This one is 3, huh? because this one is 3, we are going to multiply this one, we are going to get this one. What will happen? That's meaning you multiply this one. What happen? This one become 3 become 2. Okay. Also same thing to the third one, fourth one. This one, what happened next? Copy here. What happened? Okay, you need to plus this one. So this one you multiply by 5. What happened next? By 5. Okay, that's meaning we are going to get the answer as 3 here. Okay, because you multiply. How about this one? This one also same thing. Same thing. What happened? This one times 5 also. This one become 5 to the power of 4. And we are going to continue again the last one for this one. We are going to get this one is this one multiplied by this what happened. We get this one become 5. So and so on. So we are going to get okay. You need to plus, huh? Okay. And so on the second. So we are going to minus this one. 1 is still 1 because this one second one minus this one can be minus. They are same denominator. 1 over 5 to 2 over 5. To 2 over 5 square. This one 2 over 5 square. So 1 is remain 1 here. The first is still 1. The second one is 2 over 5. Okay. 2 over 5 here minus 1 over 5. We get 1 over 5. Okay. The third one, this one, 3 over 5 square minus 2 over 5 square. They are common denominator. So this denominator can be deducted and minus 3 over 2 minus, this 3 minus 2 is 1. Also 5 square. Okay. Finally we get this one. So next also same thing, we are going to get this 1 over also same thing 5 cube. Okay, we are continue. Okay, go to the this one 5 over 5 to the power 4 minus 4 over 5 to the power 4. But when 5 minus 4 become 1 over 5 common denominator 5 over power to the power of 4. So we get this one. After that we are going to this 6 over 5 to the power of 5 minus 5 to the power of 5. This means 6 common denominator. They have a common denominator 5 to the power of 5. So numerator can minus 6 minus 5. This means we are going to get the 1 over 5 to the power of 5. And so we can continue until the log, huh? We are going to we are going to a lot, huh? Yes. So you can plus a lot here until infinity, huh? Okay, until infinity. So what is meaning we are going to 18 this one. What happened to the next? So we are going to use an R. Okay. You can see this one is we consider is a sum of the square. This one is sum, huh? Okay. 1 the first term plus the second term plus the third term are new sum of infinity. We are going to use a sum of infinity. That is meaning is geometric progression. Geometric progressions where we need to find out. We need to make sure that there is a common is GP or geometry progressions. So we are going to find out the common ratio, whether there is common ratio or not. The ratio is a ratio or not. The second term times the first term divide by, huh? No, divide by the first term. Also same thing, we are going to get the answer as 1 over 5. Okay, this one we consider the first thing, first ratio. Okay, we are going to first ratio. We are going to find out the second ratio here. We are going to calculate the second ratio, whereas third terms is here. From here, third term is this one. Okay, third term. Okay, divide by the second term. Second term is to be 105. Okay, uh, we we are going to simplify by, okay, this means we get the 1/5 cube, okay, times 5. This means we get the answer as 1/5 also. 1/5 also same thing. Okay, go for the third one. Is to be out the third ratio. We can we make sure they are common ratio or not. So the fourth terms, okay, the fourth terms divide by the second term. The fourth term divide by third term. Okay, third term now. No, third term. Third term is square. Sorry, third term is this one. Okay, okay, third term. Okay, so by using we are going to get the 1/5 to the power cube. Okay, times what? 5 to the power square. We are the multiply the reciprocal. But I also get the answer is 1/5. So we can say that R1, R2, R3 is they are same common ratio 1/5. So we can see that therefore, okay, therefore, therefore R is to be 1/5. So we consider the first term to be 1. Okay, to be 1. We are going to compute this one. We are going to be say is listening. We are going to have okay. So listening, the first term we consider is 1. The first term is 1. So after that we are going to consider this one as okay. Listening, we are going to use the formula is sum of primitive. Okay, sum of primitive. Using this one as using, okay, we are going to use which one? We are going to use the which one? We are going using this one. What is the meaning? Using what? Using is as infinite. No. Okay. Okay, so sum of infinity is 1/1 no, a over 1 minus slowly a over 1 minus a over 1 minus r using this formula. So for assuming we are going to say its answer is to be we can directly a. What is the a here? The first term is a 1. Okay, a is 1 over what? 1/1 minus r common ratio already defined previously 1/5. So by assuming we are going to get the answer as 1 divide we got divide what? 4/5. Okay, 4/5 here. 1 minus 1/5 is 4/5 divide. So by assuming we can get this answer as 5/4. Okay, so we are going to get the answer as, finally we get the sum of the infinity. We are going to sum of infinity here. We are going to sum of infinity. Okay, can be considered for sum of infinity is equal to 5/4. Okay, times 4 because the 4s become s you times 4, so that's meaning the sum of the infinity. Okay, we can say that sum of the infinity it should be equal to 5/16. So finally we get the answer as a sum of unity. That's meaning we get the answer as this one is equal to so shown already lah. Okay, so we can say it's shown. Okay, shown here. So answer is this one.